Guys, this is Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. Today I wanted to talk to you about sometimes these policies that are being written, and it's quite often, unfortunately, they are not very comprehensive. There's a lot of gaps in them. There's very minimal coverage, and it's something that's very disheartening. As a homeowner, you're purchasing a product, which is insurance to insure your property, your home, and it ends up where it very minimally is covering it. There's a lot of things that are not covered within the policy, and I think that kind of stinks. They know, the agent knows that this is lacking certain coverages. I just came across a policy the other day that it's a landlord's policy, and what it covers was very basic. It was basically a fire policy. If you wanted to have other types of coverages, you need to get different endorsements. And it wasn't explained to the homeowner, to the individual, the landlord, what this coverage was. He was told that, okay, you're going to rent your property out to people, right? Okay, well, that will be the landlord's policy. Here we go. We will give you this. And, it wasn't a whole lot of money. And I, on your side, Mr. Insurance agent, I know there's pressure on you put by the client, the homeowner, or in this case, the landlord, when he comes to you and he's looking for a really good price. I want this thing to really be affordable and all that other good stuff. But keep in mind that when you go and cut all these different levels of coverage out, you're really not giving them much after all. Are you really doing them a good service, or are you doing a disservice? So, let's communicate. All right, I'm giving you this really low-balling policy, but you're not going to be covered for this. You don't have coverage here. There's no coverage there. And you don't have coverage on this. So, and then let the prospective client make a decision. That's the right thing to do. As I say, going out and looking at a property where there's a peril has occurred, and therefore there was damage, it does no one any good, well, except the insurance company. I forgot. That's what this is all about, isn't it? It's about the insurance company. They want to make money. How stupid of me. Forget everything I just said, all right? No, don't forget anything I just said. That's the point. This is all about money, isn't it? Remember, that's what you've been telling me, Mr. Friendly Neighborhood Adjuster. Well, it is. It's about money. If they can write another policy and it's going to have very limited coverage, so that means the opportunity for you to ever really cash in on that policy or to exercise the policy is very minimal, is a very low percentage. So who makes out on that? Well, of course, the insurance company. Don't act so surprised, right? Anyway, so guys, look around, ask questions. This is part of your fault too. I want the low price. Well, did you get the low price when you bought the house? I mean, the house it cost what it cost. You negotiated a little bit, all right, but you knew what you were getting, right? You had a home inspection, you had this, you had that. In this case, who's looked over your policy? And don't tell me you. That doesn't matter. Do you know how to read policies? Some of you do. I understand that. And that's wonderful, the few that do. But the masses do not. And it's not your fault. It's not your fault. The point is, it's written for you not to understand it. Just have faith and trust in the insurance company. That's all you need. Faith and trust. They'll take care of you. They wouldn't put the boots to you there, would they? No, they're your friend. Remember? They're got you in their hand. Or what else do we have? They're like a neighbor to you, right? What's one more we could throw out there real quick? They're on your side. They truly are on your side. It's a bunch of mumbo jumbo. Anyway, this is Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. If you ever have any questions, please give me a call. Run it by me. I have licenses in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Maryland. And I can help folks in those 3 states. I can answer questions for anywhere, but specifically those areas I can actually represent you in the event that you ever have some type of situation. So, give us a call if that were to happen, and we can definitely help. We're here for your benefit. I hope you realize that. Any questions? Now, how would I get a hold of that friendly public adjuster? Well, I'm glad you asked. My phone number is 610-213-8820. Also, you can reach me via email, and that would be stevewolbach@ymail.com. And ymail is the letter Y, mail.com. So, again, this is Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. I hope you learned a little something today. I'm trying to give you food for thought. And if you would, please like my page. Also, if you would share my page and let others have the benefit of listening to this as well. This is very important stuff. At least I think it is. It'll be important to you when your house burns down, too. And please share what we asked about sharing. Please subscribe to my page. So again, thank you for listening, and God bless you.